Hey everyone, want to know how to set up your very own Shopify store in just 2 minutes? Yeah, you heard right, 2 minutes. It sounds crazy, but trust me, it's totally doable. So let's jump right in. First things first, you need to fire up your browser. I'm using Brave, but any browser will do. Now head to the address bar and let's search for Shopify. Go ahead and hit enter. Bam! Now click on the official Shopify link that pops up right on top. That will take us to their homepage. Okay, once you are on this page, you need to click login and enter your credentials, or you can simply log in with Google. Alright, you're officially in, but let's not get caught up in all the new options just yet. Quickly, close this pop-up and let's move ahead. Then let's quickly move to the online store tab, and here you'll find the key to all the magic, which is themes. Let's click on that. Shopify offers tons of awesome free themes to pick from, but for this video, let's select this craft theme, so click add. While it does its thing, let's go to customize on your selected theme. Click on that. This opens the customization panel where you can add or change many parts of your website. But let's quickly change the logo position to top center. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's exit this page. Make sure you click the save button and let's quickly exit from this page. Okay, now let's go back to the product section so that we can add the first product on your store. Click on add product and this opens up a new add product page. Here you can type your product title. I'm naming it t-shirt. I have also added a small description as well, which is new t-shirt. Then let's add a media by clicking upload. Upload your desired media file. Click on open. Now I'm entering the price, which is 300, and compare a price, which is 500, and the cost per item is 120. Let's just fill the other shipping and inventory details for now. Select grams and enter a SKU count. Now click save and we're almost done. That is it. Go back to online store and select themes. Okay, now finally let's see how your store looks by previewing it. So let's go to the three dots on the theme section and click on preview. Boom! There you have it. Your Shopify store all set up in under 2 minutes. How cool is that? We just made a store with a product pretty quickly. Of course, there's a lot more to customize, but hey, this is a great starting point, right? If you want to see a full customization tutorial, be sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more cool videos, and let me know what else you want to learn.